How's it going, everyone? So today I want to show you guys the best Kegel exercises for men. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So I'm going to show you guys the best exercise to do for your Kegel muscles, you guys. We'll do a workout, follow along at home, and you will see some crazy results, you guys. So trust me on this. The exercise that we're going to do is a good exercise. It's going to be the side leg lift. We're going to switch sides as we do it, and we're going to take a 1 minute break after each time that we do the exercise. So let's get started right now. We're going to get into the side position, and we're going to do 10 repetitions for each side. So let's do it right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch sides. We're going to do our left leg now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a 1 minute break right now and recover, you guys. Follow along with me at home, you guys. This is the best way to get the results. If you are looking for to increase your Kegel muscles, your pelvic floor muscles, this exercise will help, trust me. Mine are extremely strong from doing these exercises, from training, from just doing overall different exercises, doing the bridge, side leg lift, runner's lunge, squat, different exercises like that. It does strengthen the muscles, trust me on this. And I will make more videos about the topic with different exercises to really give you guys an arsenal to really attack your Kegel muscles, because I know a lot of people, they want their Kegel muscles stronger, especially for men. So again, this will work. This is the best Kegel exercises for men. And yeah, the side leg lift, very, very good, you guys. So we're gonna do it again, 5 more seconds, and then our break is up. So let's get started right now, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 minute break right now. Very, very good. So I keep getting a lot of questions from subscribers asking me different video titles. Now, what I do for my subscribers, you guys, is I go in order of the time that I looked at the question. So if I see that a subscriber asked me a question 2 months ago, I just go in order until I hit every single question that has been asked. So far, I get like 90 to 100 comments a day on all my videos. I have almost 2,000 videos. So trust me, if you guys ask me a question, eventually it will get asked, but for the time being, I have not answered. It's hard to make videos because I make 3 to 4 a day. I know in that time period, a week ago or so, I made like 20 or 30 videos a day for like 2 or 3 days. That was just to experiment with some different video titles. I had a lot of questions from subscribers that I wanted to answer, so I answered all of them in a short period of time, but I went back to the longer videos just because it's very hard, you guys, to make that many videos per day. And it seems like you guys like the longer videos anyways. It seems like my subscribers don't like the really short 1 to 2 minute videos. It seems like you guys like the longer videos. So that's what we'll do. Let's get started, you guys. We'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're now going to go over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're gonna take a 1-minute break right now. So yeah, I will answer all the questions that I get from my subscribers. It's just that the channel is blowing up, getting a lot of new subscribers. Last month I got 10 or 11,000 new subscribers. So really appreciate all the support you guys are giving me. Just understand that if you guys ask me a question or if I don't reply to a comment, it's because I'm going through comment after comment from old videos. And again, I try to answer all the comments that I can. Again, the videos that I am making lately are going to be longer, so that gives me a little more time to answer all the comments. But again, I get so many comments every single day, so many messages that it's very tough to keep up, but I do my best. So just understand if something hasn't been answered, it's because I'm still going through all the comments. But again, I really appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me. It means the world to me. So let's keep going, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're gonna do the next side now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're gonna take a 1-minute break. Now, another thing too, you guys have been wondering what's been going on, a little update with my life. So currently, I am working at a job 8 to 4:30. I am doing a course July 1st. I will be starting an online course. It's a really good course. I enjoy it myself. I've been looking into doing it for a while now. I'll kind of keep you guys on the edge. I won't tell you what the course is yet. You'll have to watch some other videos to find that out. But it's a good course. I've been looking into it for 6-7 months now. I'm finally starting it. It's 1 year. It's a 1-year course online. And the job after allows me to work from home. So I'm super excited about that. I will be doing that and doing the YouTube. I'm just super pumped to get that started, you guys. And it's going to be amazing. So I can't wait. I'm super pumped. Let's go, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, you guys. Something popped up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1-minute break. So yeah, super excited about that. I've been very busy lately, you guys. Sold my house, buying another house, getting married soon, within 2 weeks. Actually, next week, getting married. So super pumped, you guys. A lot of things have been going on. Yesterday, our house officially sold. So yeah, lots and lots and lots of things going on. Still working, again, 8 to 4:30. Come home, make the YouTube videos for you guys. Sometimes spend 2-3 hours doing it. So putting a lot of effort into my videos, a lot of time. And yeah, just keep doing it. I'm loving it. I can't wait to start that course. I want to work from home, you guys. That's what I love to do. I love being my own boss. I love doing my own thing. That's what I want to do. And I've done everything correctly that I have the opportunity to do that within the next year. So I'm super pumped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, you guys. 10 more reps to go. If you've been following along at home, really impressed. Keep it up. We're almost done. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are done, you guys. Great job. Give yourself a pat on the back if you have followed the whole workout, you watched the whole video. I appreciate the support, you guys, from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you guys watching all my videos. It gives support to the channel. It allows my channel to keep growing. So if you guys watch the whole videos, I know there's lots and lots of loyal subscribers out there, people that comment on my videos all the time. I know who you are. I try to respond to all your comments. All the new people coming onto my channel. Again, I got 10 or 11,000 new subscribers last month. A lot of new people coming on. I'm trying to get to all your guys' questions, trying to answer all of them. But again, the channel is blowing up. Keep watching. Appreciate all the support, you guys. End of video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.